being in an enclosed facility like this, sanitary is the #1 key to cut down on diseases. I could tell right quick what few farms that I visited and seeing the wooden slats that I knew the plastic was the way to go. Chris has been a big help on helping me, make sure everything was right. He comes by at least once or twice a year easily and brings me another piece of slat, carries one of my old slats in to run their lab test to make sure it's still intact and everything on the slats. Chris is always calling, checking on things, dropping by with new products, letting me know what's the latest and greatest. Southwest Agri-Plastics slats will be a part of my houses and any other product they build. So I wished everyone out there that was in agriculture could deal with people like Chris and Southwest, because they really take care of you. They're probably one of the most professional companies I've ever worked with as far as coming by and checking on you. When they make the sale, they don't forget you.